Hello kids, welcome back to another session. In today's session, we are going to do questions based on plus 2's big friends formula, okay? And we will be doing B row in the class, A row will be your homework, okay? So, where are we going to apply this plus 2 big friends formula? Where first, we will not have any beats left to add 2. We won't have enough beats to add 2. And second, we can't do small friends when we don't have enough bits to add to, because when we learned small friends that time also I said that when you don't have bits to add to, you apply small friends. But while doing big friends for 2, when you don't have enough bits to add to and you can't do small friends as well, both the things you can't do, so that's when you will apply big friends of 2, that is plus 10 minus 8. Formula of 2 is plus 10 minus 8. Big friend of 2 is 8. Okay, so let's do the first question. Add 2, then add 4. How can we add 4? No beats for 4. So here we can do small friends for 4, that is plus 5 minus 1. Then plus 2, that is in the question. Then again 2. Now we don't have beats to add 2 and we can't do small friends as well, because small friend of 2 is 3 and the formula for small friend and the small friends formula for 2 is plus 5 minus 3. So plus 5 is already there, so we can't do 3, right, if plus 5 wouldn't be there. And here we would be supposed to do 2, then we can do 2, no, plus 5 minus 3. But here we have 8. Now how can we do 2? That's when we will apply big friends. What is our big friends now? 8, and our formula for big friends of 2 is plus 10 minus 8. So that is 10. That means wherever I will be stuck and I can't apply small friends, I will apply the big friends. Formula of big friends of 2 is plus 10 minus 8. My answer is 10. Okay. Next question. 3, 2. Now, look here. Now we have to add 2. Okay. First, check with small friends, because see, anyways, a formula has to be applied because you can't add 2. Now you see. Can we do small friends here? Yes. Why? Because 5 is empty, no? We can apply the formula of 5. That is plus 5 minus 3. Small friends we can do. So I will do 2 by small friends here. Plus 5 minus 3. Now plus 3 is in the question. So we added 3. Now 2. See, now we can't do 2 by small friends and we are stuck also. So we are going to apply big friends here. Plus 10 minus 8, okay? There will be different situations where you will be supposed to apply different formulas, okay? So my answer is 10. Next, 4. Again 4. Do I have beats to add 4? No. So small friends of 4 plus 5 minus 1. Formula of 4. Now plus 2. Do I have beats to do 2? No. And I can't do small friends of 2 as well. So big friends formula of 2 is plus 10 minus 8. It's written here, okay? Then again 2. Now I have beats to add 2. I can directly add 2. My answer is 12. Next question. 5, 3, 2. Can I do 2 now? No. I don't have enough beats to do 2, right? So, one thing I can do small friends, other thing big friends. If I can't do small friends, then only I will do big friends. So, small friends though, clearly it can't be done. So, big friends of 2 plus 10 minus 8. Now, plus 1. My answer is 11. When I say big friends of 2, when I say small friends of 2, by that I mean the formula of big friends, the formula of small friends, okay? Next question, last one. 6 plus 2, again 2. I can't do 2. I will do small big friends of 2, because small friends also I can't do. So big friends formula of 2 is plus 10 minus 8. Now plus 4. My answer is 14. Okay. Why do we call it big friends and why do we call that small friends? If you see our God, that is 10. We call this God, right? This is bigger than 5 now, no? So this is big friends, and small friends, there was 5. So it's small friends. Okay. I hope it was clear, guys. Complete your A row in homework and do let me know the solutions in the comments. Bye bye.